In this video, I'll show you how to use OnePay at Walmart. It's a quick and easy way to pay using your mobile wallet, whether you're shopping in-store or online. First, if you're at the store and ready to check out, open your mobile banking app or digital wallet, like your bank's app or Google Pay/Apple Pay, where you've added your Walmart OnePay card. Tell the cashier you're paying with mobile pay, then hold your phone near the contactless reader. You should see a prompt asking you to confirm the payment. Just tap your screen or place your finger on the sensor to approve it. If you're shopping online or in the Walmart app, during checkout, look for the Pay with OnePay option, or select your saved OnePay card from your wallet. Confirm the payment with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, and that's it. Your payment will go through instantly, and you'll get a confirmation right away. Using OnePay is fast, secure, and keeps your card details private. No need to carry your physical card. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple money tips and Walmart guides. See you next time.